Hello, in front of me I've got RAZER Viper V3 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to perform factory reset of your mice. In the beginning you can do factory reset via RAZER Synapse app. In order to do it, select your mice, go to help and select reset. Confirm and it's done. If you don't have access to RAZER Synapse app, you can always press and hold both left and right buttons simultaneously with the middle button for 7 seconds. Factory reset is complete. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.